We got snow. Ta-da! Our first snowstorm. Not too much, but we got snow. Alright, I gotta go get some gas, top it off, and we're out of here. 4:05. Nice. I've only driven a mile and a half and I'm already stressed out. The roads are kind of, I don't know, it's just wintry, you know? Gotta get used to this stuff. Alright guys, I guess it is raining. Maybe kind of snowing, maybe kind of sleeting. I think mostly raining though. But these roads are definitely not great. Not ideal traveling at all. I would imagine when I get to the Northway, I87, that it'll be better, just because it's well traveled. Hoping for good luck here. Wish me good luck. Man, it's really hard to see already. Looks like we've got the plows up in front of us. Fun times at Ridgemont High. Oh, we got an accident. Yeah. Yep, we got ourselves an accident, kids. Somebody slid off the road. That sucked. So that was road salt. Alright, this is why I don't like driving in winter. Any of that slushy, thick stuff, man, when you hit that at 55 miles an hour, that's not alright. It's not alright at 30 miles an hour. Oh boy, I'm working for my money today, just driving up here. So we are at Warrensburg, Diamond Point, and everybody's got their hazards on. And it looks like we're in Albany. I am an hour and a half away from where I need to be. So does this mean we can't go north, or what? I don't know. Maybe I won't get to do this gig today. Maybe I will drive for some time and realize that I'm not going to be able to do this. I'm glad that I'm wow, look at that. So that line just goes on and on and on and on and on and on and on. Oh my God. Oh my God.
1,000 feet. Merge onto I87 North.
Oh my God, this sucks. Alright, first off, four-wheel drive goes on. I don't know what I was thinking of that I didn't have my four-wheel drive on. But you know what? I need to just sit for a second and gather my thoughts. So we got 2 hours to go, 86 miles. I'm going 40 miles an hour right now. You know, I don't really want to go any faster. One good thing is I do have the snowplow in front of me, and I'm going to stay right behind him. Everybody else can freaking do what they're doing. I think this is the way to go. Yeah, the only people that are out today are people that have to be. There's nothing joyful about this ride. It is super beautiful, I agree. But, you know, you don't need to put yourself through this. Alright, so now we got all these cars coming on the left here. And that hasn't even been plowed, you know? Or it hasn't been plowed recently. Plattsburgh is 78 miles. Holy smokes. This is the freaking slowest ride up the Northway I've ever done in my life. My only fear is that I'm going to drive for another hour and then have to turn around. I'm not doing that. We're going for it. We are all just following this snowplow because we need it. The road's stuck. A lot of snow out there. Coming up on the left here, we got some brave truckers who are like, guess what, guys? I'm not playing this game all the way to Montreal or wherever they're going. They are plowing right the heck through. We're like, screw you. We are going. Don't hit me, okay? Oh. That's flash. Whoa. Wow. Alright. That guy's had one too many cups of coffee. There is hardly any room there to get by with that snowplow. He doesn't make it easy. Okay, they don't give you room. That's crazy. I have a friend that was taken out by a snowplow and was seriously hurt. Guys, there must be, I don't even know how many cars behind me. Okay, you can kind of see it in the mirror there. If you look at my mirror, the line just goes on and on and on and on and on and on. And it's mostly, a lot of it's impatient truckers. Honestly, for today, I did not plan on filming. I was like, I've already gone to Plattsburgh. I don't need to film that anymore. I've already done that trip, you know. It's been done. Well, this hasn't been done. Oh no. I'm losing my guy here. Alright, well, I'm gonna keep going. Here we go. I do not like this stuff. I do not. Here we go. I don't know what to do, buddy. I mean, I can't go any slower, you know? So you go by. this the next time. No. We don't go up the Northway when it snows. Not when there's any amount of it, you know. We don't go up the Northway when they say 4 to 6 inches. At least, you know. Nope. We rescheduled. I learned my lesson. But, you know, being that we have 64 miles to go, we're going to carry on forward here. Go forth north. That is the motto of the day. On a positive note, it's pretty darn cool traveling down the Northway at 40 miles an hour through the Adirondacks. You know, I'm getting a chance to look around a whole lot more. You can't see too far because it's, you know, the conditions are what they are. But, heck, you know, I'm really getting a good view of this Northway. And you can't do this on a nice day because you can't go 40 miles an hour down the Northway. That's not legal. Or it's dangerous. It's not recommended. So it says I have 52 miles to go, about an hour and 4 minutes. We're just gonna keep trucking on, man. I think the roads are better than they were before. They've been salted, I think, and they've been plowed a bit here. So I'm gonna pull into the driveway and literally go right to work. Unload this truck and set up my gear and begin a workshop, and then make a music video, write a song for this music video, and then do a little performing for it. And then pack up my truck and turn around and drive back home to pass this freaking plow. This sucks. I got a truck behind me, a truck in front of me, and I got the plow. And this guy sucks. We are at the highest point of the I87 right here, and I'm surrounded by freaking trucks who are like, dude, I'll push you right off into the snow if you don't get out of my way. Alright, here we go. Hopefully, you know, I survive these pass-bys with these freaking truckers. I see lights, flashing lights. Flashing lights. Got another accident. I don't know what we're doing here. What are we doing? You go by, buddy. I'm gonna let that guy go too. Well, hopefully, I guess this just means take it freaking easy. Oh. Ah, fuck. I don't know if you can see that. There's a truck in the trees. A freaking truck in the trees. Okay. I a truck in the trees. Literally right up, smudged right up against them. It's almost like a perfect landing. A big truck. Wow. Alright guys, so you're going to get to experience the wonderful passing of a snowplow when they're on the left-hand side. Not fun. I had the opportunity about 45 minutes ago, and this is not fun. Too damn close. Oh, another car off the road up here. Another car off the road. Oh, you guys, you know what? We have come to our exit. I did not think this was going to happen today. Oh, this has been painful. That is like one of the worst drives I've ever had. Just really stressful and not fun. But now we know. Now we're not going to mess around with this crap. Going into the winter knowing that you do not drive during snowstorms. It is not worth it. And I did not have that mindset before. I was like, oh, I can drive in some snow. It's not going to be that bad. It is going to be that bad. It's going to be terrible.